Hello, today I'm going to show you how to do reflections on your graphs, such as, if my pen will work, y equals x to the power of 1, y equals x to the power of 2, and y equals x to the power of 3. So basically how you want to do it is basically kind of looking at like a mirror. Now I'm sure you've heard the word reflection a lot when talking about a mirror, like here. Y equals x to the power of 1. Boom. It would be something like this. Straight line, one from here up. Like that. Basically how the reflection would work is it'd be y equals negative x to the power of 1. That would be how you would reflect it across. So basically, it would be going the opposite direction, because in a mirror, how you would do it is if you hold up your right hand, in the mirror look like you're holding up your left hand. So basically, the mirror will look like this now. That's how the x to the power of 1 would reflect across the graph. Now, let's move on to y equals x to the power of 2. X to the power of 2 looks something like this. If I can do it right, give me like 2 seconds. It would look something like this, you know? Anyway, if you were to reflect it by doing y equals negative x to the power of 2, you would literally switch it around like it's a mirror. Go down. Like that. That's how you would reflect it with y equaling x to the power of 2. Now, if you want to reflect it with y equals x to the power of 3, you know, same thing, y equals x, negative x to the power of 3. And then boom, 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 boom. Basically how it normally would look is something like this. I'm not sure if it's completely true, depends on what your equation would be like, but something like that. Now if you want to, you know, reflect it across, it'd be something like this. Literally the same exact thing, just flip-flop it. Kind of like how a mirror would your arm if you hold it up one of your arms. Anyway, so let's take an equation for example. Y equals x squared plus 1. Okay? So you'd be right here to start off with. Then you would go up. Okay, flip the part out. Anyway, so then it'd be something like this. Boom. Now if you want to reflect it, y equals negative x to the power of 2 plus 1. It would literally be this, but flip-flop it around. Now you see, I didn't flip it around and go down to negative 1, because you would reflect it right here. Wherever it starts is where you would reflect it at. So yeah, that's the best I can possibly explain this. I know it's probably not that good of an explanation, but it should work.